Hello, my name is Kevin Glatz. I am in the Technology Center at Mark Andy U.S. headquarters at Chesterfield, Missouri. Today we're going to do a quick overview of the Digital Pro 3. Today we want to start at our unwind unit on the Digital Pro 3. Our unwind unit here could take as big as a 30-inch roll of material. Several different approved substrates through Konica Minolta can go on here. When we come out of our unwind, we come up into our splicing station. We have two bars here that we can set down to where we can slice this material right here. If we wanted to pull this off and put another roll on, tape it on so it's nice and smooth and straight, and it'll run through the press. After we come out of our splicing unit, we have a web guide. There's two web guides on this press. The first one is here. The web guide will keep your material centered, straight, and running through the machine just where you want it. It will not move. The table will move with the material if need be. After we come out of our web guide, the material travels through our cleaner. We have a rubber roller here that runs along the top of it. After it hits that, it will come through here, and this will pick up all the dust and lint and dirt or anything that may have picked up on your roll of material. This is just like a typical lint roller you would use on your clothes. Peels off. When it's dirty, you get a new one. Now that we've got clean material, straight material, we want to come into our first FLEXO station. This is a Mark Andy 2200 unit. Typical FLEXO station that you see on all the 2200s. A lot of times we run white ink in here when we're laying it on silver material, metallized, or clear material. You want to have that white background to go into the print engine to lay your digital ink over top of that white material, white ink. After the FLEXO station, we have an 8-watt lamp here to dry that ink, because you want all that ink cured before it goes into the digital engine. Once our ink is dried and running through, we have two ERC sensors, one on top and one down here on bottom. What these do is these will read the eye mark, and it'll put the digital print in the same spot as your FLEXO print. The press reads that eye mark and it knows where to put your digital print. After we leave that, we go into our digital engine. This is a Konica Minolta digital engine. Yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. The toners are very easy to change. In and out. These can be changed on the fly as the machine is running. If you get a warning that it's low, so you don't have to stop your machine. You can continue to run and change your inks at the same time. We have a bypass bridge here. If you choose to run a job FLEXO, one of the reasons you would want to do that is if you're only running maybe a one-color job and you want to run it with a spot color ink, you can come up over this bypass, come down this side, totally missing the print engine and running at 200 feet a minute if you choose. So you get faster speeds if you're doing a one-color job similar to that. And then you could come out here and embellish it without using the digital print engine at all. After the digital engine, we come out, we have our second FLEXO unit. Same as the first one. This one is typically used for a varnish, a cold foil. You can put a second color ink in there if you wanted to lay another spot color down on your material. So you can use that for whatever you choose. So that is the second FLEXO station. Again, we also have another 8-watt lamp below that, drying everything going in there. Also under here is our second web guide. So just like the first web guide, this one is going to keep your material centered and straight going up into your die cut, your semi-rotary die cut. Digital Pro 3 has a semi-rotary. It allows you to use magnetic dies to change instead of changing your cylinder every time. That's much quicker, much faster to use the magnetic die on the semi-rotary. When we come out of our die cut station, we're going to come down here. We have two what we call RD scores, or back scores. These, we're going to use the two scorers to slit our edges that go up into our waste. So this way we can get a finished roll right off the press. When our waste goes up in here, in our die cut, we have 3 knives. Our crush knives, very simple to operate on and off. This just comes down and just what it is, it's a crush. So we're making 3 slits out of our 4 lanes. On the rewind, we have an upper rewind and a lower rewind. As you can see, it works really well when you're finishing rolls like this. You have 2 going up and 2 going down so they don't intercross each other and get tangled in. That concludes our demo today. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions or you'd like a live demo, maybe you'd like some samples, or you would want to see one of your labels run through, please click on the link below and let us know how to get in touch with you.